Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you on how do you manage your web-based page for RapL Mobile. So this is the interface that you will get when you want to access to your RapL Mobile via web-based. So after you have logged in, it will bring you to this page where you can manage structure, manage users, assign users, manage leaderboards, manage content, assign content, invite, manage reports, and bulk import. So in this page, the administrator or the manager will have the access to it at norm. So in the manage structure, you can add group. You can assign all the staffs that you want to add in this particular group, either English group or aviation group. You can add the users. You can add the quizzes if you want to, learning path, and so on. You can also manage roles. You can add the roles here. You can give a role name and you can add the description of it. In the manage users, you have all the users name here. And for example, if you choose Juby, what are the actions that you want to do for Juby? You can assign assignments, assign files, assign learning path, polls, and all of these to this particular user. So each time when they have passed a certain level, when you manage their learning path, you can assign a different assignments or a different quizzes or content for them to go through. You can just click on the name that you have assigned earlier and you can do it one shot, or you can pick one by one according to your needs. You can also assign users for each of the groups. So for example, if you want to push this user to be in a different group, you can also click and assign the users. For example, you can click RapL and you can change the role. Either he can also be the group admin, group manager, or the learner. So if you go to the manage leaderboards, you can also assign all of the leaderboards in the platform. For example, if it's under Susan, the action for Susan, you can edit, you can schedule, like what I've explained earlier in the RapL Mobile. You can have the quizzes or content to be blast on a fortnight basis, on a monthly, on a quarterly. You can also click on the releases. You can click on the frequency as well. So to manage the content, you can manage the quizzes here. You can click on the quiz, you can add the quizzes here, or you can choose each of the quizzes which is already in the platform, and you can choose to edit, manage the questions, manage the files, make it inactive, and others. Okay, that is for the quizzes. And that's for the files, same thing. You can add the file, you can create a new folder for the different contents that you have and the actions for it. You can rename it or you can open it. Or you can create a new folder. As for the manage learning path, same thing, you can add and you can edit. So it's with the manage polls, you can add the polls, or you can edit or delete the polls. With the service, you can do the same thing. You can edit, make it live, or manage the questions. This is the test. You can edit the test, delete the test, manage the files. So is the assignment you can add or not. Okay, that's the managing of the contents features. This is if you want to assign the contents for each of the group and the members within. So you can click on any of these, edit on the groups. If you want to invite new users, you can add the invite. Okay, you can add here. You can go to, for example, if you want to add new users for Andrew, you just click Andrew, you add the new name, and you update. This is if you want to manage your reports, you want to download the report, you can click it here. Action, you add the schedule report, you edit the schedule, or you delete the schedule. This is bulk import. You can import it into your Excel file. can download or upload your file here, or you download the response file here. So that is how you get the analytics result from here. So that's about it in the managed video. So I hope you have benefit from this short video. Should there be any questions, you can be in touch with me. And thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye. Have a nice day.